Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can use if error function in Excel. So let's start. This is our data where we will use our if error function. For example, we if we need uh, to see any revenue of a particular country, how we can do that? For example, I'm selecting India. I'm copying this and I'm pasting it right here. I want to see India's revenue. Whenever any country is given here, its corresponding revenue will be shown. So I am using a VLOOKUP option here because it is VLOOKUP will always works if the data goes from left to right. That is, base data is on the left and its corresponding data is on the right, and the base data is in column number one. So here VLOOKUP will work. So I am this is VLOOKUP. Then they are saying I have to give lookup value. This is a lookup value, comma. Then I have to give table array. I'm selecting the whole table, and column index number. We want revenue, and revenue is in column number two, 1, 2. So I'm typing 2. Then comma. I want an exact match, so I am double clicking on it. Then closing bracket. So here I can see India's revenue. Okay, if I copy China, okay, then and paste it right here, China's revenue will be shown. Okay, China 15,000, it will be shown. But if we include any country which is not available here, what it will show? Let's see. I'm selecting Finland. Finland is not showing any revenue because Finland's data is not available here. So when this kind of thing we see, that is hashtag n oblique or anything that is not uh, we want, then we can write anything in here, so that when any error happens, so instead of giving this text, we can customize our own text. So we want that if any country is not available in this data set here, uh, the text we want to show that this country's data is not available here. This is the text we want here. So how we can do it? See, we have to select this. This is our whole formula. Okay, then this is the right formula actually, because if we copy and paste any country here, it will show its revenue. So this is right formula, but because Finland's data is not available here, it is showing. So we have to, what we have to do, uh, we have to include if error at the very beginning, just after the equal sign. I'm typing if e. Here you can see it is showing. Double click on it, so you can see if error, then a bracket is given, and this is the entire formula. Then then I have to give a comma. Okay, this value will be shown, then comma value if error, that is if any error will occur, then here I want a specific text, and the text will be note one thing, that whenever you want to give any text, that should be written including an inverted comma. I'm giving an opening inverted comma, then I'm writing this country's data is not available. Okay, closing inverted comma, then finally closing bracket. Okay, you can see, because Finland's data is not available, it is showing that this country's data is not available. Okay, if I copy Nepal and paste it right here, it will show its revenue because Nepal's data is available here. But any data which is not available here, then it will show the text that we have included before. For example, if we include Russia here, I'm writing Russia. Okay, because the Russia's data is not available here, it is showing this country's data is not available. Okay, we can also write a short form here. This country's data, instead of this we can write data is not available, or this is fine. Okay, we can write any text we want, but note one thing, that If you want your customized text, then you have to type that customized text within a inverted comma. Okay, opening inverted comma and closing inverted comma. So this is how uh, if error works. That's all for today, and thank you very much.